Good morning, everyone. We are packing up here at Flynn's Beach. I walked down to the beach for sunrise this morning, but I kind of got caught in the rain. We're right here at the South Pacific Apartments, and there's a road right across. Just walk down that road, takes you all the way down to this absolutely beautiful beach. I think I'll walk down there and show you guys, and just kind of go down a road that way, and there's a sandy beach and some rock outcroppings and things. And then I came back up this road and there's a little coffee shop, but I got rained on, so I may drive down there. Although it looks like we got a little bit of reprieve from the rain. Clouds are moving off. Last night the girls played in the hot tub, and we all jumped in the pool. Well, me and the girls jumped in the pool at least once, and Avery played in there a ton. A couple of kids, a 9-year-old and it was two twin 9-year-olds, came down and played with the girls and talked, and we asked them lots of questions about Australia and the way that they say things and names that they have for things. And their names were Tex and Delilah. Isn't that just typical super awesome Australia names? I will probably never know why that kid's name is Tex. But we had a good time talking to them and playing. It was a rubbish truck. Oh, you can see a big kind of like point over there. Really good surfing off that point was what I heard. So, but we're not going out that far. 3 suitcases down. Bike bag never came out. I'm getting really good at packing the car the way Sandy designed at the airport, which is about the only way that we can get things to fit. So the one downside to this apartment is the stairs. But hey, it's trade-offs, you know? And it's good exercise. But you get this reward when you get to the top. I think, brought one more bag back down. I think I'm gonna go to the coffee shop. Oh. Here we go. Sneaking a peek at the beach. I walked down in the dark this morning. These trucks were right here. They've got like tanks or something. I don't know what they're doing, if they're getting seafood for a local restaurant or what's going on, but it looked like a professional operation. They weren't surfers, although there are surfers here. So now off to the coffee shop. Bottle shop. Oh, they got ice cream and stuff in there too. Well, I didn't video in the shop, but I stopped into that little shop and got some food and cereal. And then right up here was a neat little cafe that I saw this morning, and I got coffee in there. And then right at the top of the hill is where we're staying. So the next YouTube video is posted, which I think is day 4. Trench's hair is getting dead. Avery Jane is having a few more than one bite of the scroll that I loaned her. These are the bacon cheese scrolls that I picked up this morning and reheated in the oven, which they're fresh and delicious. And Mama needs a nail file because it's making
a jagged spot on my nail and it keeps getting a haircut or hair stuck in that little groove.
That's okay. It might be slightly less than perfect today.
Yeah, well.
Right, Trent?
Yeah.
Especially after you go to the beach and run around a bunch at the pool last night. It's gonna get frazzled, huh?
It was loose. I'm playing Krabby.
But it's still cute.
I'm playing Krabby volleyball.
Krabby volleyball. Oh, blue crab beat you.
I did.
You beat him back. All right. See you later, South Pacific Apartments. You were awesome for a day. I just tried to get in the left side of the car. Sandy's shaking her head at me. All right, here we go. Well, let's leave one video. Gulaba, place of koala, Kawara State Forest, Biripi County. This tourism area is dedicated to support of the Hon Leslie Williams MP, member of Port Macquarie and the NSW government, New South Wales. A place for people, koalas, and trees, caring for country. Proudly funded by the New South Wales government. This looks like the most fun the girls might have in Australia. They're getting a picture by the koala. I wonder what the story is on that one.
Sneakers, so let's go find out.
This is the big koala, the spirit of all koalas. Big koala has been created by local artisan John Belfield and painted by Paulina Rudes. The big koala forms part of the Hello Koalas Sculpture Trail. Multi-award-winning public art project that launched in 2014. Celebrate Australia's iconic koala. This public art project was created to bring joy, creativity, and sense of fun to our local areas and to foster a sense of community and well-being. Oh, you can like... Interesting. Big K, painted by Paulina Rudes, 2022.
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So we could do this.
Yeah?
And then see about how much it is to add on the net thing.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, cool. Oh, there he is in the tree. I see him. Oh, he's so cute. There he is.
Is that a diaper, Avery? Yeah.
That's not a diaper.
You don't think so?
It's
Just his bottom?
just a baby diaper.
Okay. I see it. I'm looking at it right now. What do you think? Pretty cool.
Well, yeah. May as well. Okay. Why not? Live life on the edge.
Hey, well, this week has definitely prepared me for an easy day.
Yeah, not gonna go swimming here.
It is windy. Kind of missed it. But he came in on one. So how was it?
So crazy out there. It was a lot of work just to get one.
I know. Right when she got ready to go, they got smaller. Here she goes. Kick, 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 kick. Oh, yeah, she did it. Oh. That was fun. She got all the way up. It didn't look like she went far on the video, but she did. She's still going. Oh yeah, she's still going. That was fun. Here she goes. Kick, 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 kick. Yay! Whee! She did it. Yay! Was that fun? You came all the way up to mommy. Good job. Oh man. Woo! Another one came up and got. She just stays there. She's gonna keep on going. Oh, that's funny. She just kept going and going like the Energizer Bunny. Gotta talk loud.
So I decided that since they were going out, and I have made all those castles over there, but I decided I was going to bury myself.
You're doing a good job of burying yourself. And here's her little. So at Aldi's we got some baby carrots, which are not too baby. They're like the size of your finger at least. So trying to get some healthy stuff.
Dad, did you see the rainbow?
Yummy. Here comes the big banana. There it is. There's the big banana. Oh, neat. Oh, that looks like a neat little place. Yamba. There's the surf center that I think Dad said he saw on a YouTube video.
Beach town shop.
Yeah. Now we turn down a side road to get to the lighthouse, so not much to see here, especially when it's raining and dark.
This is an interesting street. It's very steep on both sides.
Looks like it's one way.
It is.
Just got here and it decided to pour down rain even more than what it was.
Roll down my window.
Don't roll your window down.
I think you did.
Roll my window up. You rolled it down. No, I'm so.
Are you guys wet? Does water dry?
I don't think I can even get out.
Daddy just got back in the car from his little trek to see the Yamba lighthouse, which, you know, we couldn't really see, but he is, and I thought it would be 100% soaked. It was so windy, our car was rocking back and forth, but now it stopped raining.
Look, there's a picture that I got on the lighthouse.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I love it. Oh, you got to see it.